Carrie, you scared me. How long have you been standing there?
You have dirty pillows.
Oh, you mean my breasts?
I wish I had some.
You will, when you're older.
No, I won't. Mama says only bad girls have dirty pillows.
Well, I'm a good girl. And doesn't your mother have breasts?
Carrie.
Mrs. White.
Carrietta. Come here. Come here. You stay away from my daughter.
We were just talking.
I warned you about her. Didn't I? It's a sin to consort with her
I'm
little
sorry,
girl.
Mama. I forgot.
I didn't do anything.
Your daughter's a slut. You let her expose herself to the world like that.
Get out of here, Margaret. Leave my daughter alone.
Jesus forgives you.